Future pacing. Related to time distortion and pseudo-orientation, future pacing involves creating a mental image of a positive outcome or result that your readers can achieve through using your product or service. It is the idea that our minds respond well to positive images of the future. By creating a clear and positive vision of what the future can look like for your readers, you can create a sense of motivation and engagement in them. This can be achieved through the use of language that suggests a positive future outcome. One way to use future pacing in your marketing and copywriting is to focus on the benefits of your product or service. By highlighting the positive outcomes that your readers can achieve through using your product or service, you can create a clear and positive image of the future. Another way to use future pacing is to create a sense of possibility. By using language that suggests that your readers can achieve anything they set their minds to, you can create a sense of motivation and engagement. You can achieve this through the use of inspirational stories, quotes, and other motivating content.
A Skeleto.com course. Examples. Imagine how much more enjoyable your life will be when you have the skills our course teaches. Imagine how much more productive you'll be with our software tools. Imagine how much more successful your business will be with our marketing strategies. Imagine how much more time you'll have in your day when you use our productivity tools. Imagine yourself achieving your dream job after using our career development program. Imagine yourself confidently presenting your ideas with our public speaking course. Imagine yourself feeling confident and empowered after using our self-improvement course. Imagine yourself feeling more relaxed and at ease after using our meditation techniques. Imagine yourself using this in the future and how it will benefit you. In a few months, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your health and wellness. In a few short weeks, you will see a noticeable improvement in your performance. In the coming months, you'll see a significant increase in your productivity with our tools. In the coming weeks, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your financial situation with our program. In the coming weeks, you'll see a significant improvement in your relationships. In the future, you will have a better understanding of the market thanks to our training. In the future, you will have a more positive outlook on life thanks to our mindset training. In the future, you will have the confidence to pursue your passions with our life coaching. In the future, you will have the skills to overcome any obstacle with our problem-solving course. In the near future, you will have the ability to make better decisions thanks to our training. In the next few weeks, you'll see a significant increase in your income with our strategies. Visualize the positive changes you will experience after using our product. You will be able to handle difficult situations with ease after using our stress management techniques. You will be amazed at how easy it will be to achieve your goals with Z. You'll be ahead of the competition thanks to the skills you learn in our program. You'll be ahead of the game with our cutting-edge technology tools. You'll be amazed at how much easier your work will be with our automation tools. You'll be amazed at how much more confident you are in social situations after using our social skills course. You'll be amazed at how much more energy you have after using our wellness program. You'll be glad you invested in yourself once you see the results in the future. You'll be glad you invested in yourself when you see the positive changes in the future. You'll be glad you took action today when you see the results in the future. You'll be glad you took the leap and invested in yourself when you see the results in the future. You'll be pleasantly surprised at how quickly you can achieve your goals with X. You'll be proud of how far you've come after using our personal development course. You'll be proud of how much you've grown after completing our leadership training program. You'll be proud of the person you become after completing our self-improvement course. You'll be proud of your progress in the coming months/years/days/weeks with Z. You'll feel empowered to take control of your life after using this personal development course. You'll have more free time to spend with loved ones once you use our time management tools.
A Skeleto.com course.